Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Gigi Star. In today's video, I want to take a closer look at Zoombucks.com. So there's a couple of different ways you can earn money with this site. So you can earn cash by three things: doing offers, watching TV, completing surveys. It's also free to join and it's really easy to sign up. You can sign up also via Facebook or Google as well. So step number one is that advertisers want engagement for their surveys, products and services. So Zoombucks are looking for members who are willing to get paid for completing various tasks. So these tasks obviously involve taking surveys, completing offers, watching videos and getting paid with cash and gift cards. So the rewards on this website are wide and varied, and you can see that there is numerous ways to get paid out via some of these rewards, and if you click see all rewards, you will definitely see something that will take your fancy. So there's a lot to choose from in terms of rewards with this website. So you also, there are live feeds and it'll show you who's earned from what country and some of the more popular tasks on Zoombucks. The other thing to note is up the top here, if you hit blog, so we'll open that up now, there's a couple of really good articles here, and there's some really good tips with Zoombucks, just to give you a bit of an edge. So if we open this now, it gives you a step-by-step guide on getting rewarded for watching videos. So it says that you need to, you may see a variety of videos to watch, but the most common is Hideout TV. So that once you see Hideout TV, you can choose from a variety of videos. Some of the available channels have to do with sport, entertainment and lifestyle. So obviously you'll need to start watching the videos in its entirety before you can start earning points. And it also talks about repeating the process, obviously, you can, and switching up channels, and you can earn more points that way. Additional tips is keep checking the live feed on the members dashboard. So this will give you good ideas of what's currently popular and what videos are being watched from around the world. So if you go back to the blog, it will also give you some tips on completing offers as well. So you can come and have a bit of a read before you sign up and just get a few tips. So they give additional tips also, obviously same. They've also said keep checking the live feed on the members dashboard, so that you'll be up to date with the most popular and new offers that come out as well. So there's a step-by-step guide on how to complete offers on Zoombucks as well. There's also some great 25 things to sell for fast cash, which is always a good read. And they've got 10 practical work from home tips and 20 part-time jobs during COVID. So they have a huge amount of information at your fingertips on Zoombucks to get started. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Come over to Zoombucks.com, check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.